Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to create and of course manage a new channel in Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, okay. So first is you have to log in your account in Microsoft Teams website, and after that, please kindly see on the left side here and you will see the communities. Click that one, and if you already have a team or group, so you can go to that one, and of course if you still don't have, you can create a new one. So in order for us to create a channel, you just have to click these three buttons here, and you can create a channel or this by this one by clicking this one, add a channel. So let's create a new one guys. So let's give this a name as a general general channel. Okay, and after that guys, just click this add button, click that one. Just have to wait for a sec. Okay, now we successfully created a new channel. So in order to manage this one guys, so here in post, you can actually post an announcement or an image or files that you wanted um the team to know. Okay, so in the next one here is files. So you will see here a bunch of files here that you posted last day or recent posts. So you will be able to see this the files on here. So and also photos that you posted on these channels. Okay, and also you can create an event and also invite members here, the copy link that you wanted to invite people, and also the settings guys. So that's it guys, how you create and manage your new channel in Microsoft Teams. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.